So Dr. Tidman's posting a Keto 101 series in late August? No, she's not. She's posting it now. Hello, everyone. Dr. Tidman. I had posted earlier that I was going to wait to post my Keto 101 two-part series the end of August 2025. Well, guess what? That's not happening. I had a lot of feedback, people really wanting the series to post now. And guess what? The two-part series has grown to 6 parts. Yes, it has. So I'm really trying to be very responsive to my viewer feedback. So thank you. And yes, Keto 101, the nuts and bolts of how to do the ketogenic diet, what conditions it's good for, even down to the foods that are on the approach and how you can troubleshoot it. There's even one part on the carnivore diet. So Keto 101 is posting starting June 19th. So you're not going to have to wait all summer for the series. Yay. And thank you for the feedback. I read every comment and I try to respond to every comment. So thank you. So Keto 101, the 6-part series, starts June 16th. No, it doesn't. June 19th, 2025. I hope to see you all on the series. Be sure to comment if the information is helpful for you. So keep those comments coming, everyone. See you soon.